Hello, welcome to another Did You Know Thursday with me, Debbie from Stebbington. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down box and Excel cell for a really simple yes/no answer. Let's go.
In this example, I would like an option for the processor to select whether the order has been completed or not, simply using yes or no as an option. First things first, drag your cursor to include all of the cells you would like the drop-down list to be in. Then on the Data tab, select Data Validation. Next, select List from this drop-down. In the source box, enter the options you would like on the list using a comma to separate them. In this example, I'm just using yes and no. Then click OK. You now have a drop-down in that cell.
Drop-down boxes are absolutely brilliant to use, and you can do so much more with them. That was a very simple yes or no, but you can create lists. You can stop the information, incorrect information. You can get it linked to other things. There's so much you can do, but we didn't have enough time in this video to show you that. If you would like to know more, why not contact us at admin@stebbington.com. See you next week.